Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I'd like to introduce some Korean words related to the classroom. Maybe you're the person who is preparing to study in Korea, then you need to know these words. Okay, let's get started. 따라하세요. 교실 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 선생님 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 학생 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 칠판 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 모니터 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 책상 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 의자 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 연필 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 공책 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 지우개 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 가방 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 책 책 책 시계 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 사물함 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 Here's a short quiz for you. Can you say this in Korean? Yes, 교실 is correct. Very good. Next question. Very nice. 사물함 is correct. Excellent. Now you can see the Korean letter on the screen. Please guess its meaning. Yes, right. It means blackboard. Then the final question. Yes, it means chair. Excellent. Okay, how was it? Today we have looked at some words related to the classroom. Here's a tip for you to memorize these words. When you look at a desk, then think again. 책상. If you practice like this, then you can memorize these words easily. Okay, thank you so much to watch this video, and more expressions used in the classroom will be coming up next time. If you want to watch more video, then please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.